Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in another account in Instagram in another phone. So this is a simple and basic tutorial on how to log in another account in Instagram in another phone. So first, you need to log out your account from your old phone. At the top left corner, tap these three lines. Scroll down till you see log out. Tap log out. This time, you have to get your new phone or your other phone. Now, install the Instagram application. Download Instagram from the App Store or Google Play Store if it's not already installed on the other phone. Once the app is downloaded, open it. Step 2. Launch the Instagram app on the phone. You will see the login screen if no account is already logged in. Step 3. Enter your account credentials. On the login screen, you can enter your username, email, or phone number, link to the Instagram account you want to log into. Enter your password in the password field, tap login. Step 4. Verify your login. If Instagram detects a login from a new device, it may ask for additional verification such as sending a verification code or two-factor authentication. And that's it. You have successfully logged into your Instagram account on another phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.